Well, we'll see how this goes. Hey guys, it's your girl, Megan Dazanaki. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, sorry if my voice is a little bit raspy. I've had some sinuses and allergies going on this past week, and I lost my voice for 2 days. Please do not judge me for not being here in a while. I've just not been very inspired lately, and don't judge me for the way that I have poorly clipped my hair back to do this quick little makeup toot with you. This is just a little $20 wig from Amazon. I will put the link for it down below, and a bucket hat that one of my friends left over. And honestly, that's how I'm securing the wig right now, because this wig does not have clips. It has a little, little tightener thing in the back you can cinch it up with, but that's that. I am gonna just take some little Earth Day pictures today and do some roller skating, honestly, because my roller skates are the same blue as the water on this shirt, and be preparing for a little Earth Day post, because Earth Day is in April, and I mean every day is Earth Day. If you couldn't tell, I'm looking like a little ginger Dora the Explorer, here to save Mother Nature. Keep it green, keep it clean, keep it green, you know. But I'm gonna just take some pictures while roller skating, maybe take a video of roller skating. I've not been roller skating in a while, so it's just gonna be something simple, because I'll be wearing sunglasses most likely, so that I'm not blind. And yeah, all I've done is put this wig on, and that is that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer to go up underneath these dark circles and to cover up some of my blemishes here. I've been using and loving this Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. I have this in the shade Light, and honestly, I've been using this as a foundation, really. Like, I've just been going ham, and a little bit goes a long way. I'm just gonna cover up some of those. I have to get my hair in it, and I will blend that in with the sponge. I've been using this velvety sponge just because I like the way it feels. I'm not worried about the redness today, because I am gonna go for a more blushy look. I just want to cover up my blemishes, really, and the under eye circles. I could have definitely gone with a lighter shade. I think, I don't even know if that's the light. I mean, I know that that one is the shade Light, but I feel like there might have been a fair or something that was even lighter. That's why I said I'm able to use this one as a foundation, even if I'm wanting to. And sometimes I do. And with this look today, most of my forehead's covered, and even my eyebrows are covered, so I'm really hardly gonna touch my eyebrows. I'll just go in with my usual pen tool for that. Which I actually need to get a new one. I told you have a new brow tool. Should we get it out? Should we look at it? It's from Milk Makeup. I got it from Marshall's, but I don't think I've actually recorded the Marshall's video yet, because I was gonna go to Marshall's again and get more stuff. But this is the Gel Brow Waterproof Transfer Proof Matte Gel Brow Pencil in the shade Pilsner. Looks like that. Okay, so it's just like another pencil. Okay. Nice and soft. Oh yeah, that like perfectly matches my brows. All right. Let's get the tail, because I'm still slicing the end of my brow off. I'm just using a very light hand. This is super creamy and just is blending right in nicely, even with just this little touch that I'm doing. Normally I would frame the end of my brow first, but I know I'm just kind of going light with this. So I was just not afraid to jump in the front first and make sure that they're fairly the same. And that's that. It does have a spoolie on the other end, so we can blend it out. I usually try and go to the side and up, unless you're wanting to keep that stroke-like effect, which with this fatter kind of gel-ish crayon pencil, whatever you want to call it, you're not really going to get those fine strokes unless you sharpen it. So that was pretty nice. Easy to use tool. Let me get a little sip of my ginger ale here. Help my throat a little bit. So I said we're doing more of a blushy look. There's like 3 little hairs. They're just like, I've still really been obsessed with my Kaleido Cosmetics, but I think I'm going to mix that with this other one that I've been tapping into lately, which is from The Balm. This is the Autobalm Girl Powder, and it's in the shade Houston Street. I'm just going ahead in with a fluffy brush and carry that all the way up to the hairline. And honestly, that's quite a bit. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of tiny bit of dusting of the Kaleidoscope not Kaleidoscope, it reminds me of Kaleidoscope, Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. Just has a little bit of shimmer to it. And I go across the nose and tap over that. Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna do bronzer because honestly, when I unpin my hair, like half my face is gonna be covered up. Anyways, I just want to do a simple little eye look, which is why I thought I could jump on and show you a quick little video. Yes, I've also been loving fake freckles lately, but I've been using a filter like on Snapchat. I've not actually been doing fake freckles, but I could try. I've totally skipped a step. I skipped my Dragon Beauty. You already know. And I need to get a new one really badly. It broke, and then like I had a little bit of product, and now it's like I have a lot less product. And that's just not okay, alright? I mean, I've been making do. I've been utilizing the powers of the pink powder, but I really like that banana e-color one. And I'm like grinding my makeup brush in there to utilize what's left of it. Okay. Now for my eyes. I really just wanted to do a little eyeliner look, but first I want to put a nude base so that it doesn't get up into my crease. So then I'm going to be outside. I might get a little hot and sweaty because it is like 80 something degrees outside today, even though it's just the beginning of April, and I don't want my eyeliner to transfer. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Milani Most Loved Matte. I'm going to go ahead with this very top shade, which is called Fancy Vanilla. Now I'm just using just a flat, this is a Morphe E15 brush. It's flat and floofy and dense, so it can really pack the color. And I'm just going to kind of put that really all over the lid. It helps to brighten up the lid, and it's going to help to make sure that that eyeliner does not transfer. Alright, now that we've got that, I'm going to go ahead in with the eyeliner. But let me fix my little hair clip here and keep this hair out of the way. Alright, so I really need to replace my eyeliners as well. A lot of my favorite black eyeliners, like the Tarte Sex Kitten, is running out. And I have another Tarte one that I was using a lot, and that one's running out. But Sex Kitten was by far my absolute favorite. And I've been using the Lama Squaw liquid eyeliner, but that one's kind of been, it's got a fatter tip, and so, you know, sometimes it gets everywhere. But let's go ahead and try that one first. And make sure that kind of re-wet the brush. It's just a technique that I like to do. I barely scrape all sides of the felt tip along the rim of the cap. You can kind of see some product come off in there, so you can tell that it is kind of like refreshed. I don't know that I've ever actually started from the inner corner of my eyelid before. I knew I wanted it to come down like so. I thought, why not start over here? I also don't normally do eyeliner looks on here. I usually do that off camera because I'm here for another makeup look, but this be the look today. Now if you wanted to, and honestly I might go back and do it still, I might go like a quarter to halfway underneath there and definitely thin out the tail. So I'm gonna do the other side and then Alright, so I just finished the other side. Somehow that didn't take very long at all. I think this one tail is a little fatter than the other one. Let me touch that up just a smidge. I feel like something needs to go underneath, but the blue eyeliner I have will not match, but the white eyeliner could definitely be a good time. So let's do that. Let's do the NYX retractable white eyeliner. Let's do white eyeliner crayon. I just like to lightly pull down my waterline and just kind of rub it back and forth to really get it on there, and to try and keep it off of my lashes. But that's why I save the mascara for last, so that we'll just cover up any of the spots that have maybe turned white. Also, slightly sorry if this is a scary face or scary angle right now. I don't want to poke myself in the eye. I had done it too many times before. I don't know what the accent was, but it was the voice of Don't Hurt Me. Alright, I am going to do just a teensy tiny little bit of highlighter. What am I doing? Teeny tiny bit of highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and with this Ofra Cosmetics. This is in Covent Garden. This is their collaboration with one with Talia Mar. It has a more pinkish silver tone to it, and I've actually been gravitating towards this one more. I will say if you use too much on the usual highlight areas on your upper cheekbone, that if you use too much, you do get like a pinky like metal effect. Like you can definitely, like, you turn, you're like, okay, I see a line or something like that. So I will say that is one thing I've noticed. So I like to do my brow bone. So I do my nose, bridge my nose first, really give you that shine into my nose. Right up on the top of my chin. I'll do a little bit right here. I feel like I look like a doll. Not a bad thing. Just enough. I don't know why. I like to do like this. I don't highlight my whole mouth. That's weird. I like to do, you know, like a little cupid's bow. And then I'll do like from this corner over. Sometimes the other side, or I'll do my upper lip. Like right now I got a little, I didn't cover that up spot up. Just make it shine. I mean, if anything, you're gonna give yourself a glittery mustache though. I mean, is that so bad? I just shine my entire upper lip. It's like, oh, I thought you had a mustache. Oh, my mustache should shine. I'm not sweating on my upper lip. That's weird. Just kidding, if you do that, hopefully you're working out. I feel like this is like rebellious Raggedy Ann. Like, she chopped off her braids and we're going rogue now, honey. We're going rogue now. Okay, I think mascara and spray the face, set the face. And we done. Another product I've been loving is this Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm about ready to hear another language. I was like, the effet eventel, the full fan effect in very black. How about that? How about that? Nice little curved brush. Bristles kind of change shape, or not shape, size. They don't change shape, but some of them are more curved and some of them are longer, and you know, yada yada yada. I like to coat the top first, especially if you're using a lot of eyeshadow. Because a lot of times my top of my lashes turn colors, whatever eyeshadow I was using. Trying carefully not to touch the white. Also, don't get mascara in your hair. I can almost always do both eyes with just the one dip of my mascara at once. So you see, I haven't dipped it back in since. I'm just still going. You know, this is not sponsored. Maybelline, hey, what's up? I love your lipsticks and I love this mascara and other mascaras. So if you want to sponsor me, just let a girl know. Just let a girl know. But otherwise, I actually got this product. You might have seen it in my last Ulta haul. I'll tag that up her. But it was attached to the micellar water. If you wanted to buy, I was looking for micellar water. If you wanted to buy a bigger jug of Garnier's micellar water, they had this mascara attached. And I was like, honey, 2 products for the price of this one product that I was getting and a free product. Hey, what's up, hello? All right, I'm still using this as well. Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. I haven't decided if I want to do a matte lip yet or a glossy one, since I'm going to be out in the sun, you know. I don't know yet. I do only have like 2 clips up here holding my hair up and in place, and honestly, to help me separate the rest of the hair from these 2 little strands I want hanging down and out. So we're just going to tuck that back up in there. I don't know what accent that was either, alright? I'm just excited to go roller skating. I'm excited to do makeup. I'm excited my voice is back for the most part. I think I'm going to do a nudie lip. Yeah, I think we'll do this one. This is from Ulta Beauty. And this is the Cappuccino. This is one of their lipsticks. I think it's fairly matte actually, so maybe I'm not just going to use this one. Yeah. That's not what I wanted. Just kidding. There's the one that I want. I don't know, but honestly, this is pretty much the look. Of course, I will post pictures, so keep watching. But I hope that you liked it. This is very simple look. Like I said, I kind of look like a doll. Very glossy, very dewy, very fresh, very, sun-kissed look. I'm not normally a hat girl, right? I need some help. But I think this is all right, okay? This is all right. It's pretty cute. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to see the pictures that I post. If you want to see more frequent content, then go follow me on dazanaki, at dazanaki on Instagram, boo. All right, thanks, beauties. Bye-bye.